So far what we've learned is that nucleosides, which is a combination nucleoside, which is a combination of a base and a sugar, when it interacts with phosphate, right, what is formed is a nucleotide. Now, when several of nucleotides come together, so when many nucleotide, when many of these come together, what is formed is a nucleic acid. Now, how are these nucleic acid formed? So here is a base. Again, I'm just going to take adenine for the example. Base, double bond, and double bond, and nitrogen. This is our adenine. This is our linkage with sugar. This is the N-glycosidic bond. Right? This is the CH2OH. And so this would form the bond with phosphate. And there is a OH here, right? So this is your 1 prime, 2 prime, and 3 prime. Now, when this OH forms a linkage with the O minus of another phosphate group from another nucleoside, and a base here, of course, right? When this linkage is formed, this kind of a linkage is known as, so this is the 3 prime and this is the phosphate from a 5 prime. This is a 3 prime oxygen hydroxide from the 3 prime, linkage from 5 prime. This kind of a linkage, and I'll show you the linkage in just a minute, this is known as 3 prime 5 prime phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond. So how does this look like? Base, glycosidic bond with sugar, OH, right? So O from the sugar, phosphate, so PO, O minus CH2 from your 5 prime from another sugar, and of course to this a base is attached, right? So basically let me show it on the next slide. So this is one other sugar, OH is here. This is the phosphate. This is from another sugar. Right? So it is these two interacting. Okay? Now, if we draw this again, if we complete this structure again, there's a base here, and this is the OH for this sugar. This is known as the free, this is known as the free 3' hydroxyl. Okay, and of course the bond that is formed here, which we saw in the previous slide, that is known as the phospho 3' phosphodiester linkage. Phosphodiester linkage.